3, 2, and 1. So once again, good morning everyone. Welcome to our quarter 4, week number 6, SSLM in Mathematics 7. So today, we will be learning the following things. The median of the as measures of the central tendency. So what is this median all about? We will be discussing it later. But before that one, let us review first the previous lesson that we have. Last meeting, we were able to talk about the average, which is the mean. When we say mean, we are just going to get the average. For the ungrouped data, we will just going to add the numbers, or we are just going to add the data and divide it to the total number of the data. For example, the grades are 86, 87, 88, 89. So there are 4 of them, so we divide it by 4. That is how to get the mean. For the ungrouped data naman po, we will be using the table of the class limits, wherein we will be identifying the class limits, the frequency, the middle score, and we are going to multiply the frequency and middle score. And that's how we are going to get the mean. So today, we will be learning the second one, measures of the central tendency. First is the mean, now is the median. So what is this median all about? Let's talk first, what is this median? When you say median, we are trying to say that we will be identifying the middle score. So when you say median, that is about the middle score. Okay, what is this middle score about? Okay, tabingi ang aking camera. So, middle score is something that is at the center. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, saan yun nasa gitna? Of course, si 3. So, that is now the middle score. Ganun lang po ang ibig sabihin yan. And basically, by definition using our SSLM, when you say median, it is the middle score in the list after the scores are arranged in decreasing or increasing order. Take note, it must be arranged. It's up to you if it is increasing or decreasing. Para uniform po tayo lahat, increasing po yung pag-arrange natin. Like this, increasing from the smallest number to the biggest number. Okay? So let's have this example of identifying the median of an ungrouped data. Take note, ungrouped po tayo ngayon muna. So in this first, we have the following examples, same example that we have yesterday. So Teacher Annie collects the data on the ages of the mathematics teachers in their department and study the following. So the collected data are 32, 40, 48, 47, 48, 50, 45, and 56. Okay, now please identify what is the smallest number there. Because the first step to do is we are going to arrange it from smallest to the biggest. What is the smallest number?
32.
Yes, we have 32. Next, the next number is
40.
That's 40. Next, the third one.
45.
Yes, that is 45. Next,
47.
47. Next,
48.
48. Next.
56.
Okay. So you have to make sure, tingnan natin ha, bilangin natin, 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ilan po yung data sa example number 1? Pakibilang ulit.
7.
So 6 lang po yung ginawa natin. Kulang. Ano yung kulang?
Isang 48.
Yes, nakita nyo rin. So, dalawang 48 pong ilalagay. And you have to make sure kahit na repeated number siya, nasulat siya. So, ganun lang po pag double check. Pag binilang nyo 7, tapos 7 din yung data, therefore, accurate yung pagkasulat ninyo ng data. Okay, next. The next thing to do is we are going to use the formula. The median or MD is equal to, take note ha, nasa ungrouped data tayo class. Ungrouped. Ibig sabihin, wala po siyang kagrupo. Individualized po siya. Okay. Median is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2 raised to the th power. Or position ng th, position niya siya. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yan po ibig sabihin yan. So, median. N. Bilangin po natin, ano ang ibig sabihin po ng n kung ilan sila lahat. Since 7 ang pagkabilang nyo, 7 lang din isusulat nyo dyan. Plus 1, then divided by 2. 7 plus 1 is of course 8. divided by 2, that is equal to 4. So yung 4 ngayon, yan po yung ihahanap natin. The fourth position. First, second, third, fourth. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. Therefore, this is our median. Isulat agad natin. Thus, or therefore, the median age of math teachers, saan to galing? Sa problem din po ito galing tong math teachers na ginamit ko, is 47. Okay? Yan lang po yung sagot. Thus, or therefore, the median age of the math teachers is 47. That is how to get the median of the ungrouped data. Now, I would like you to do this one. Kayo muna po. Allow me to erase this in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Good morning, sir.
What is the median score? Kahit tingnan nyo, kahit di na kayo maggamit ng formula, makukuha nyo yung sagot. First is you are going to arrange it from lowest to the biggest. What is the median score?
11, sir.
Yes, that
11.
is 11. So we arrange it 11, 11, 11, 11, then 12. So makikita nyo pa lang, median nasa gitna, that is 11. Okay, ganun lang po yun siya pagkuha ng median score kapag ungrouped data. So napakadali ng median score, tama? Pero ito yung mahirap. Yung median score ng group data na tinatawag. So we go now to the grouped data. The grouped data of the median is a far bit difficult compared to the ungrouped data. So let's have this one. Naunsa ka? Saglit lang, class. May estudyante na dapa. Okay, so let's have this median. The same example that we have yesterday. So these are the scores of the grade of the modular students enrolled in a class. So sabi daw po sa 95 to 99, meron tatlong students ang nakakuha ng grado na yan. So gagawa muna tayo ng table. So from 95 to 99. Next is 90 to 94. Next is 85 to 89. 85 to 89. Next is 80 to 84. Next is 75 to 79. So there are 3 here, 8. Next is 15, 12, and 2. Okay, the first step we are going to do when we get the median score of the group data is to make a table. So i-add muna natin. The total score for this is 40, or the total number of population. That is now our N. Okay, so next thing to do is we are going to get this is our class limit, this is our frequency before the cumulative frequency, ang less than CF. Less than CF is before the cumulative frequency. Less than is before. C is cumulative, F is frequency. Ganito lang po pagsulat. Yung 2 dito, just copy. You add the 12 and 2, magiging 14. You add it by 15, magiging 29. You add it by 8, magiging 37. You add it by 3, magiging 40. Ganun lang po yun siya. Again, you copy 2 plus 12, 14 plus 15, 29 plus 8, 37 plus 3, magiging 40. That is now the step 1. We are going to make the table. Okay. Now, we have to make sure that ang formula natin is accurate. So the formula is like this. The middle score, or MD, middle score is equals to LB. Ano po itong LB? That is the lower boundary. So multiply nyo siya sa the sum of F divided by 2 times before the CF. Tapos, divided by FMC. So, times I. So, medyo mahaba po yung formula, di ba? So, ano po ibig sabihin nito? Kung kayo magbasa niyan, hindi niyo siya maiintindihan. Okay? Pero turuan ko kayo in a best way na kung ma-easiest way na siya na maturo ko. Okay, iisa-isahin natin. Unahin natin si LB. Si LB, ay si sum of F pala, sum of F divided by 2. Ito po yun siya sa taas, sum of F divided by 2. So, si sum of F, tingnan natin. Ano ang sum of F? That is 40. Kapag i-add mo daw sila. 40 is, sum is add. So, divided by 2, that is equivalent to 20. So, meron na tayong 20 dyan sa taas. Okay, burahin na natin. 20 yun kanina, no? So, equals MD equals LB, blanco mo na yan, 20. Tapos, sabi po dito, less than CF. Ano po yung less than CF? So before we go with that less than CF, punta muna tayo sa LB. So how are we going to get the LB? Tingnan nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saan yung nasa gitna dyan? Okay, tingnan natin. Saan yung nasa gitna? Sa 5 data na binigay dito, saan yung nasa gitna? What do you think, class?
88 to 89 po yung 15.
That is 85 to 89. Mali lang pagsulat ko. That's correct. 85 to 89. Ito po yung gitna. Okay. Pero we don't know which part of that is the middle, is the real middle. So kukunin natin yung lower boundary niya. Ito man yung higher boundary 89. Ito yung lower boundary 85. So minus na natin yun siya ng 0.05. Magiging 84.5 na siya. So imumultiply natin 84.5. Yan yung ilalagay dyan. Okay? The next thing to do is the I. Tapos, di ba nakuha na natin yung 85. The next number below to that is 80 and 75. I-subtract natin 80 minus 75. The answer is 5. Kaya po, imumultiply natin siya dito sa 5 sa labas. Tingnan nyo. Di magkasya sa aking whiteboard. Ito na yung 5. Okay? Next, FMC. Okay. Yung FMC naman po, cumulative frequency, ito na po yun siya, 15. Kaya po ilalagay natin siya dyan. Focus kayo dito ha. Focus kayo dyan sa aking underline. Okay? So, nandyan yung 15. So, lagay na natin yung 15 dito. Okay, next. Ang lower boundary naman natin, which is 84.5. Ay, mali. Dito pala, class. Nabaliktad ko. This is 84.5. 84.5. Lower boundary pala. Sa formula natin, nandito yung LB. Kaya dito din natin siya ilalagay sa baba. Okay. Now, ano yung i-multiply dito? Di ba yung 15 dito? Ito yun siya. Anong next number sa kanya pababa? That is 14. So, 14 din yung isusulat dyan. So, pag i-multiply na natin siya, 20. 20 times 14 divided by 15 times 5 times 84.5. Ulitin ko. I-multiply mo na ang 14 at saka 20. Anong sagot nun? For example, calculator. So, 20 times 14 times 14. Ito na yun siya. The answer is 280. 20 times 40 is 280 divided by 15. So, divide natin siya by 15. That is 18.66 times 5. Times 5. That is 93.33. Then, i-add natin siya dito kay 84.5. Okay, parang mali ang akin. 20 minus, ay, subtract pala class ito. Subtract pala, sorry, hindi ko nakita. 20 minus 14, that is 6 divided by 15. That is 0.4 times 5. 0.4 times 5, that is 2. Then plus 84.5, that is 86.5. 86.5 ang answer. So we have the same answer with the module. Okay? So yan na po yung sagot. Nakuha, class? So medyo mahirap siya sa inyong part kung kayo magsosolve right now. So ang focus ko nito, kaya ako siya tinuro, is para lang malaman nyo paano kunin ang group data. But basically, you will not be doing this one. Okay? This is just an information para later on, pagdating nyo ng grade 8, you will have the idea how to make it or how to do it. At least you have something to be shared on or you have something known about this. Okay? So there is no activity right now. So as of this moment, tinuro ko lang talaga paano siya kunin sa inyo. So are there any questions before I proceed?
Sir, paano mo nakuha yung 84.5?
Yung 84.5 po, di ba galing dito? 85 at saka 289. Okay. Ang tawag po dito sa 85 is lower boundary. Para makuha po yung lower boundary is mag-minus ka lang ng 0.5. Saan galing ang 0.5? Yung 0.5 na yan, formula yan siya. Ibig sabihin, fix na yan siya. Kahit ano pang number ang gamitin mo, mag-minus ka talaga ng 0.5. So 85 minus 0.5, kaya naging 84.5. Ganun lang po yun. Okay?
Sige
Some
po.
more questions.
Wala po, sir.
Okay, so this is just an idea para meron kayong ma-share later on pagdating nyo ng grade 8. So kung wala na pong tanong, goodbye everyone, thank you and God bless. Tapos kung meron pong tanong, just magpaiwan lang po kayo. Okay? You may now
Bye po,
leave.
sir. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Bye po, sir.
Bye and thank you po, sir.